So with everyone being quarantined, I was looking forward to it a little bit. I have a backlog of videos that I want to work on. I have 2 books that I'm working on writing. So I was kind of looking forward to it, but turns out my quarantine is a little bit different than average. My state closed the bars 2 days ago. All restaurants are closed except for takeout, and pretty much everything is shut down. Most people are in their homes. So I'm going to walk you guys through what my quarantine looks like. Let's go. Say hi, Clyde. Oh, yeah. So, gotta go drop that guy off. Luckily, my parents are home during the quarantine, so yeah, somebody gets to watch him during the day. I go to my own quarantine. A special quarantine. Good times. We're also expecting a rather big snowstorm tomorrow, about 6 inches over the course of a day or 2. So I don't know if that's going to be a good thing because there's less people on the roads anyway, or what that's going to mean. So we'll see how that goes. Should be interesting. Just dropped the dog off and found that my stepdad bought me some handgun bullets. That was awfully nice of him, considering handgun bullets are in quite low supply. It's one of the things people are panic buying, including toilet paper. It's all ammo in general, but yeah. Got the farm out there so I can just do some plinking if I get bored. It's nice to have a little bit of ammo to do that. That was quite pleasant. Alright, now I'm in my quarantine spot. Make sure that the water keeps flowing for the good people of this city and the other people that work here. You have the people who maintain the sewer systems, you have the people that maintain the water distribution systems, but then there's also the people at the water treatment plants, and something that I think is the most overlooked is the wastewater treatment plants. Wastewater treatment plants are some of the most vital things in a city. They just simply could not operate without it. If you think the coronavirus pandemic is bad, the amount of pandemics and disease that would be around if it wasn't for wastewater treatment plants and the people that operate them, it would be, coronavirus would be child's play compared to what it would be like without the wastewater treatment plant operating people. So they're really the unsung heroes of society. So I'm not a wastewater treatment plant operator anymore, but the job those boys do is fucking amazing. So yeah, we still gotta work. We still gotta keep some sort of semblance of normalcy to the people that are at home, so they can still have their water when they turn the valve. Make sure that it's still drinkable and it's still safe. So this is what quarantine for some of us looks like. So far, quarantine is seeming pretty awesome. Given the nature of my work, I spent the majority of the day driving around the city. See old people out walking, couples walking their dogs, families out playing in their yards. Dude, it's actually pretty cool. Yeah, so although I would like to be out there and enjoying myself the same way these other people are, it's probably a good thing to make sure that they all still have water to drink and bathe in, and that society doesn't completely go to shit. So, as much as I'd love to make more videos and work on my books a little bit more, that's the way it's gotta be. So, I'm on my way now, go pick the dog back up, and it's getting a little cloudy, as you can see. It is 70 degrees and sunny, super nice day, gorgeous day. I'm probably a little sunburned. Fucking an amazing day. But yeah, it's getting a little bit cloudy. We're expecting quite the snowstorm tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go pick up the dog, and then since my stepdad got me some rounds, I might do a bit of shooting. We'll see how it goes. But when I get home, I have a possible solution for you guys to avoid some of the boredom of being quarantined. And some perfect way to end a quarantine day. one left. That was fun. So, if you are bored during your quarantine period, I happen to have wrote a book quite a while back. I didn't really mention it much on the channel. I made a lot of videos about the places that I went to in the book. So the book is Haunted Places of Europe by yours truly. And some of the videos I've made have been like the I'm blanking on the name. There was the haunted monastery, the Chiajna Monastery in Romania. The video I made on that is I actually read it from my portion of this book instead of writing a script for it. So it is very similar to the stuff that is in my channel. And all every location has pictures. I went to every single one of these locations and wrote about it. If you have Kindle Unlimited, you can get it for free. Otherwise, the Kindle price is $4.99. You can download the Kindle app to any smartphone or tablet, most computers. I'm working on getting it in a print section, but if you're bored and you feel the need to read about some really cool haunted places, feel free to check out Haunted Places of Europe. It's only $5, and you can help me out. I would really enjoy it. And I hope that you would really enjoy it also. I've gotten really good reviews so far. People have had really good things to say. And if you enjoy some of the stuff that I make, you're going to love this book. So yeah, I might make a few more of these quarantine videos. But either way, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there, guys. And I will see you all next time.